Hi, it's Naomi Endereg, and I'm in the Week 5 Cognitive Tutor for Carnegie Learning Center. And this is a problem one of my old students from the last section got stuck on. And this is, for this particular student, this was a student who was unable to successfully complete the class with a passing grade. So if you're stuck here, you need to keep going. But this is just a classic find the equation of a line given 2 points example. We're given 2 points and we're supposed to find the slope using the slope formula. Just note what the 2 points are and then substitute one of those points and the slope in to the point slope form to find the equation of a line. And then our last step is solving to go from point slope form into slope intercept form, and then graphing. So very first, we're supposed to find the slope. And in order to do that, I would probably go ahead and label the points first. So the coordinates of point G are 1, 5. So I just type that in, 1, 5. That's right. Coordinates of point E, it looks like 9, 10. So I would just type that in, 9, 10. And that's right. And then I need to find the slope. And for that, I'm going to, I'm going to just type it in as a fraction. So y2 in this case is 10 and y1 is 5. So the top should be 10 minus 5. The bottom of this fraction is x2 minus x1. So it's 9 minus 1. So I end up with 5 over 8 after I simplify that. So 5 over 8 is my slope, and then I put these values, x1, y1, and m, into the point slope form. So y is just y, it just stays as y. Y1 was 5, so I have y minus 5 equals, on the other side of the equals, I'm going to put in a value for m, which is 5/8. So 5/8. And then I'm going to use the arrow to go over a bit. And then parentheses, x is just x, but x1 has a value, its value is 1. So there's my line in regular old, I guess, point slope form. From here, I need to multiply out, or 5/8 times x, 5/8 times minus 1, and then add 5 to both sides of the equation. So if I put it in slope-intercept form, I'll have 5/8 x. I need to do the arrow over before I put the x there. And then I'll have minus 5/8 plus 5. So minus 5/8 plus 5, but just working that out. 5, of course, is 40 divided by 8, so I could rewrite that as a fraction, 40 divided by 8, or 48. And then 5/8 and 48 have the same denominator, but this is a negative 5, so I can think of this as 48 minus 5/8, which would give me positive 35/8. So I'm going to change that one to a 35 and then just delete this one. And now I have the equation in slope-intercept form. So that's my equation in slope-intercept form, and it actually graphs it for me down here. You can see this point right here is 1, 5, point G, and this other point is point E, and that this actually rises 5 between the 2 points and runs 8. So we expect the slope to be 5/8 rise over run right there. And then it looks like it crosses, where do we say it crosses? Oh, at 35/8, 4 1/8. Yep, that looks like about where it's crossing. And that's all there is to working this problem. Okay, I hope this helps. Bye.